Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ruth Chari, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a 2-bedroom empty apartment tour. So the house is located along Eastern Bypass, precisely in Donholm. It's right opposite Naivas. So when I entered the house, the first thing that I noticed was how clean the apartment was and how modern the apartment was, even from the stairs. Also, another thing that I really liked about the house is that it has a lift. You guys, you can never find a house with a lift in Eastlands. Never. Okay. Okay, so the first thing that you get to see when you enter the house is the kitchen. The kitchen is located on the left side of the entryway, and this is how big the kitchen looks like, you guys. I really love this kitchen. I fell in love with it because it has a lot of storage space, it has modern finishes, it has a huge mirror that brings in a lot of light. Then next to the kitchen you get to have a laundry area. This is the place where you get to wash your clothes. You can even iron your clothes there. I also love the fact that the laundry area comes with a tap, so you don't have to carry water from the bathroom to come and wash your clothes. So next to the kitchen is the living room. It comes with these wooden doors that I really love, and it's quite spacious, as you guys can see. It also comes with these huge windows that brings in a lot of light. It also comes with 2 power sockets, na ile ya aerial for the TV. It also has 3 light fixtures, which is very good for the night because you get light from 3 different places. So I also loved the color of the tiles because I'm not a fan of colored tiles because they become very difficult when you're choosing the carpet for your living room. So the living room also comes with curtain rods because we're in 2020 landlords. We don't need curtain boxes, okay? So one thing that you can't help but notice in this living room is the huge window that brings in a lot of light, and also it has some good views. If I was to live here, I tell you guys, I would only have like white chairs so that I can watch the sun rise in the morning and as it sets in the evening. Okay guys, on to the master bedroom. It comes with the wooden door that we have seen in the living room, which I really love. It also comes with 4 power sockets. Guys, I'm seeing this right now. 4 power sockets. That's really good. Also comes with 3 light fixtures. That means you can get enough lighting, especially in the night. Also comes with an on toilet, which is a really good thing, especially if you have a family, because you don't want to be sharing toilets if you have like a family, you know, especially if you're married. Comes with your own toilet and a bathroom. The bathroom has its own door, which is a good thing for privacy, you know. And then next to it we have the wardrobe. It's a huge wardrobe that can fit all your clothes and all your husband's clothes. Also comes with a mirror for the ladies, which acts as a dresser. So one thing that you can't help but notice in this house is the huge windows, you guys. I love the fact that they bring in a lot of light. They also have some nice views, And I also like the fact that this house is on the top floor, so you can choose whether to put curtains or not to put curtains, because no one is minding your business. You're all alone up there. Okay. So just next after the master bedroom, we have the main toilet. So this is the toilet that is supposed to be shared by every family member in the house other than the husband and the wife. It's like the guest bathroom. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It's quite spacious compared to the master bathroom. Also comes with an inbuilt shower. You don't have to buy a shower when you move in here. Also comes with good sized sink. So just after the bathroom, we have the kids room. Also comes with the wooden doors that I really love, you guys. And it's quite spacious, but it's not as spacious as the master bedroom, which is quite obvious. Also comes with a good sized wardrobe that can fit all your kids' clothes. Also comes with a nice mirror. So the room comes with 2 power sockets and some light fixtures that are very modern. So the room also comes with these huge windows that brings in a lot of light. Yeah guys, so this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. So this house is located beside Naivas supermarket in Donholm. It was going for 35,000 Kenya shillings. I'm gonna be leaving the caretaker's number in the description box, so if you're interested in this house, please make sure you call it for more details. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and it's until next time. Bye.